everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is September month for 2023 for STL for Patreon. If you're looking for D&D prints, Warhammer proxy, or War tabletop style anime figures and video game figures, we'll go look through some of them. It's going to be a multiple part series. If you do like the video, please subscribe, like, and share. In the comments down below, let me know if there's a Patreon I haven't checked out yet, or the ones that you really do like as well. So let's get started. So we have Arcane minis. I don't think they have September. They have a September teaser out. So we have this big airship that we are going to be doing, and also it looks like we'll have a spider type. This is actually very good for Spelljammer type as well. This one from last month, but this is going to be September, so we'll deal with some kind of a weird looking spider. It looks like it, but we'll come back to the ones probably towards the end of the month with all remainder of the STL files, due to the fact that there are a lot of STL files that are out right now, and it is the first week of September, so it's going to take a while for them to populate a lot of stuff as well. So we have August one out. This one never really show the full thing, but if you want to get that, go get terrain pieces with Swannet, and they're fairly cheap as well. Dragon's Rest. I don't know if they have the full thing out for September. I believe they're doing the Skull Room, so we'll have a looks like a room. Yeah, so that's actually a pretty good looking thing for you to do for the doors and the throne. So this is going to be for September. It looks like it. That's actually pretty good. A little mini encounter for like a main boss and so forth as well. Daybreak, September. Looks like we have satyrs. Some fiendish looking satyrs, but there's a regular looking satyrs. Problem with it is satyrs are only males. There are a lot of female satyrs, but in D&D lore, they're all are males, and they reproduce with dryads to repopulate. The males will always be satyrs, and the females will always be dryad, and that lore as well. So always depends on your DM. Just letting you guys know, because they can just change the whole thing. You know, that might be some kind of mutation and so forth as well, because they're a Fae type character. 3D Art Studio. Looks like we have a mech, a Gundam, Vampirilla. That's Vampirilla as well as coming up. And well, there's too many Vampirillas. There's a full size figures of it. I never read the comics Vampirilla. I know my dad knows more about it because it came out his generation. There's 2B as well. Can't have enough of 2B for that. Different variation shots of 2B. One with a sword drawn. I forgot this old style Gundam was. I know this is a military one as well. I do love Gundams. I do own a few Gundams. I saw a lot of them. Due to the fact that I did not want to assemble and cut up a lot of spruce and assembling them all as well. But I don't like. I don't mind printing them whole. I don't mind doing this. This looks like a Reaper Titan. For it, or from BattleTech. Looks like it. Let me know if you guys have an idea. This is probably from BattleTech, and we have some kind of Nurgle-esque type thing. I have no idea what the hell that is and what the hell that's coming out of his groin. Oh, that is grotesque. I must have it for my Nurgle army. So that's 3D Art Studio. Yeah, check them out. Okay, miniature blueprint. Still don't want to show us what they have. Skip that. Pansky. We have for this, we have Penske's miniatures. For September, I think we're getting more aliens in this one. So we have the Colonial Marines. Fuck, I forgot this old Japanese anime. So basically, there's this old anime back in the, I believe, the late 70s, early 80s of humans that they had make like like a dragon heart, and they fuse it into an armor piece to make it look more like insectoids. I forgot what they really are called. This is old. This looks like a jerry-rigged version of a Gundam or Armory Core. Stargate. What the fuck that is? Another Colonial Marines. Kate Bane. That's from Cyberpunk 1. So the Cyberpunk and the regular one is still here. So we have a monster, alien-like monster, I guess. There's Xeno Brood Father. So instead of the queen, we have the father. The Xeno Newborn too. That's from Prometheus. Xeno Razor Claw. There's like different types of Xeno one for it. Omega's Bovine Sorcerer. Dead Resistant Fighters. Biotechno Man. I really want to know. I forgot this anime, what it was. And I also made a live action one of this too, of a TV show for it. Baramut. Some of these are pretty cool. I really like to do some cyberpunk or like futuristic esque space type. I got put this in like my Spelljammer if I ever have a Spelljammer for it. We have Dragon Chapter Lodge. This is going to be September. We're doing part 4 of Fiends Incarnate for it. So we have the dragons. Looks like Wyverns. Some other ones as well. We have some tentacles. I'll make a good black tentacle effect in the game. So these are Fiendish Incarnate, Artificer Hopper. I got green scales, cobalt egg tenders, so they basically take care of the eggs. Lorelei dragonologist, Sir Studious, vapor wing egg, vapor wing wormling, young vapor wing. There's the adult, and there's Spitfire Raven, Ravenger, dragon worm. So they come out of a dragon egg or they eat it. Hell Beast. Ravenous Flesh Pit. I have one of the smaller ones. Corruptors. Rescartor. Shadow Worms. Huh. That's interesting, I would say. But I haven't seen the terrain that usually come with it. Gamok is like a proxy for Age of Sigmar and 40k. I don't know if they have anything out for it. I think they do, but I'm not going to pay that yet. So you're getting more skinks, looks like it, for Age of Sigmar version of it as well. And for the 40k, looks like we're finally getting Necrons and some Tyranids. Some Necrons and Tyranids would be lovely. I don't have that much good Necron post for it. Anime and video game figures, Peach figure. We got Luna from Epic 7. I stopped playing that on the phone. It just got really boring after time. I don't know what the other one's going to be for August. Usually they show, there's two. I know that there's two for it, but one is going to be Luna. But yeah. Okay. Next one. Cal 3D Studios. King Thor. So this is gonna be that's the August release file. Try to find September release file. A lot of times they do show it, and a lot of times it's just fucking a nightmare to find. Um, September. Oh, I guess we'll find out till later on. Legion miniatures for DC and Marvel figures that you want on your game. Because I know they used to have hero clicks for Marvel and DC. So this is what we have. Uh, this is a mixture of DC. These are DC. There's Thor. That's Marvel. Uh, there's another one too. Okay. Partial. And this is all DC. No, there's DC and Marvel mixed in it. For just a better look on what everything looks like for it. So if you want DC and Marvel type figures, there you go. PS miniatures. They have some Ludi type of Sigma 40k on this, and for miniatures, you can also use this Banshee for Night Hunt. So these are going to be it. So these are the Banshees that are going to be coming out for it. GM 3D is a figure. I already got these two, so we don't know what's going to happen for September yet for it. Well, anyhow, I think we'll end up from here. I hope you guys do enjoy. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Down the link below. Thank you guys very much. Have a great day, guys. Bye.